promise you I was not ignoring you. The conversation went on and on and on, and I know you were so patient.
No, no. It's okay. It's substantial that I got your face in my room. I'm very, very happy and very kind of you. My anticipation is 100% right, accurate, because I know you're very generous, and the way you started the conversation, it's unbelievable.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's very good to meet you.
And nice to meet you also. Where are you from?
Where are you? Oh, I'm from California,
Well,
USA.
well, I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh my goodness, how is it over there? That
Uh,
sounds beautiful.
all right. So, do you know my country, Bangladesh?
Not very much. Not very much.
Okay, but it's the daytime here.
Wow, that's crazy. Where are you? I can hear all the birds in the background.
Oh, I have a bird. I'm gonna just flip my camera to the back side so that you can see my bird.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at her. So precious. What are you up to today? It's 12 o'clock on a Thursday.
Yeah.
What are you up to? Do you work today?
Well, so nothing much actually, but I basically use this application in order to learn English. Nothing else. So I try to figure out.
Sure.
I try to figure out a native English speaker basically, because when they speak, I try to imitate them as well. Their melody, their everything as well.
That's awesome. So that's the only way you're learning? Like no classes, just talking to people?
No classes, just talking to the people.
That's fucking cool. That's awesome. Other than your bird, do you have any other pets?
Yeah, I have lots of chicken and rooster.
Oh, I love chicken. I have 2 cats and a snake. I also have a snake, but
Oh, you have a snake. Oh.
yeah, I have a little ball python.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Do you like snakes?
I do
Or no?
like once I got another friend in this platform. She have so many snakes, small, big, medium, every size of snakes are available in their house, in her house. It was really quite scary, but I don't know how she hold the snake. Oh my god.
Oh, I like my snake. She's pretty big. She's almost as long as I am tall, so she's pretty long.
Yeah,
Yeah, she's pretty long. Yeah.
I got you. But you know what? The way you started conversation, I feel you are introverted person.
I am. I am. What is there something in particular that made you think that, or just the way that I talk?
No, just a friend from United Kingdom. She just taught me, Gazi, you know what? When you will talk to the other, basically who are from Western and European countries, try to identify their humor. So if you can justify their humor, you would gain their mind to extend the conversation as well without imagination of their thinking. I think if you go through the conversation with a random question, and they might leave you. So the when you started the conversation right now, and I tried to imagine your ideology, like as you are introverted person, what question should I go through, and the way I started. That's why I said maybe you are introverted person.
I definitely am. Way more comfortable at home than I am. I do like to go out, but I feel like my battery, my social battery drains really quickly.
Yeah.
So I have to recharge.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28. Well, so
What about yourself?
what do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I feel like you're like my age.
almost, but I'm quite older than you. I'm 30 on
Very
this
30.
on.
Okay, you said quite a bit older.
Yeah,
So I thought like a lot older. Okay, for sure. 30. It's not too old. That's not too much older. I'm going to be 29 in like 6 months, so.
Yeah, I got 30 just on this September. Just on this September.
Oh, happy birthday!
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What's your hobby?
My
What's your
hobby,
favorite hobby?
okay, but my hobby is still in sleeping in my heart because I'm because
That's so good. I
be-
love sleeping so much.
no, not sleeping. I said my hobby is still in sleeping. I can't really implement my hobby yet because I want to. No, it's okay. It's okay.